Omega is the cube root of unity. So what you have to write here, since omega is the cube root of unity, cube root of unity means 1. Unity, we can write, actually we can write omega cube is equal to 1, but here we need to prove something else. So we will take, let x cube is equal to 1. Instead of omega, I am just using x cube equal to 1. Okay, because omega is a cube root of unity, we assume x cube equal to 1. You will get 3 solutions for this one, and there you will give omega name. So since omega is a cube root of unity, just assume that x cube equal to 1. Therefore, we can write x is equal to 1 raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, now modulus amplitude form of 1. 1 is equal to, we know it is cos 0 plus I sin 0. If you do not remember, then you need to go by r into cos theta plus I sin theta, modulus amplitude form, that procedure. So better learn this one. So cos 0 is 1, I into sin 0 is 0. So this part will become 0 and this is 1. Okay, so 1 plus I into 0, that is 1. So now this is equal to now cos 0 plus I sin 0 raised to 1 by 3. Now this is equal to, what to do is, so 2 pi k we are adding. 2 pi k plus 0, whatever angle you are getting, just add 2 pi k with that one. So plus I into sin 2 pi k plus 0 raised to 1 by 3. Now this is equal to, so we know 2 pi k plus 0 is 2 pi k only. So I am going to apply De Morgan's theorem. So it is cos of 2 pi k into 1 by 3 will come. Okay, 2 pi k into 1 by 3. So we can write it as 2 pi k divided by 3. 2 pi k by 3 plus I sin 2 pi k by 3. And here k is equal to 0, 1 and 2. So now we need to prove something. So first of all, we will find the value. So when k equal to 0, this x will be cos 2 into pi into 0. So 2 into 0, 0 by 3 means cos 0 you are getting. Cos 0 plus I sin, here also 2 into 0 into that will come. So it is 0. So we know cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So we are getting the answer as 1. Okay, this 1 we are getting. Now when k is equal to 1, x is equal to cos 2 into pi into 1 by 3, means you are getting cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, so cos 2 pi by 3 you will get, plus I, here also sin 2 into pi into 1 divided by 3, means cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 we got, which is equal to, now cos, this is 120. Now 2 into pi means 180 divided by 3. So this is 60. 6 to the 120. So it is cos 120. Just check what is the answer of cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 120 is, we will get minus half. Please check.
Yes, ma'am. Minus.
And similarly sin
Yes, ma'am.
120 is also plus root 3 by 2. So sin 120 is I into root 3 by 2. Just check. Sin 120. Cos 120 degree is minus half, and similarly sin 120 is also, आपको शायद means you may get it as 0.57 something, 0.8
Yes,
something.
ma'am. Sin
This is root
root
3
3 by
by
2.
2. Otherwise those are getting into in decimal, maybe 0.8 something you will get. So this is, now what could be the next answer? Solution, next solution, without solving, tell me what could be the next solution when k equal to 2. What could be x?
1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2.
1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2. This will be the next answer, because this is a complex answer, I mean complex number, so conjugate of that one. Okay, so just check. So this is cos when 2 k equal to 2. So 2 into 2 4. Cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. That means, see what is cos 4 pi by 3? Cos 240. Cos 240 also minus half you will get. Similarly sin 4 pi by 3. That also you will get like this. Okay. Now after getting this one, now it is given omega is the cube root of unity. So what I am going to take is, I am just assuming this. We are just giving this as omega. And then this will be omega square. Means if you take this term and if you square this one, if you take this and use a plus b the whole square and b square this one, then you are going to get this answer. You will get this. Okay, you need not show it and all. You can just write it like that. If this is omega, then omega square you will get this. So what we are assuming here, we assume this is omega and this is equal to omega square. Okay. Now you just do 1 plus omega square. Just check and see what you are getting. 1 is 1 plus omega. Omega means this value. Minus half plus I root 3 by 2, that is omega. Plus omega square. Omega square means this one. Minus half plus, this is minus half plus minus I root 3 by 2. This is 1 plus omega square. So if you are looking at this one, plus I root 3 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 cancel. Minus half is minus 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay, this is one of the most important properties. So 1 plus omega square equal to 0. And we started with omega is the cube root of unity. Omega is the cube root of unity means, so we assumed x cube equal to 1. So instead of x, if you put omega, then that also means omega cube. And if you take this one and if you take the third power of that one, when you simplify that, that also you are going to get it as 1. But you need not do like that, because already it is told omega is the cube root of unity. Omega is the cube root of unity. It means, that itself means omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, so this if you do not write it is okay. So 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So we'll take this as, say, this as equation number 1. We need it. Now the question is, prove that 1 minus omega raised to 6 equal to minus 27. This is what we have to prove. Okay, so for that what we will take, so 1 minus omega whole raised to 6 is equal to minus 27 we need to prove. So what I will do here, I will just, so we may think that we can use binomial theorem, Pascal's triangle and all, we can simplify this, but don't do all that kind of things. So what we can do here, we will just do a little adjustment here. I will write this 6 as this 2 and 3 here. So this is a raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n, 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, now this is equal to, what to do is just expand this, a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2 into 1 into omega. So 2 omega plus b square. B square means omega square, the whole raised to 3. Now that is equal to, just I am going to write this 1 and omega square together. So that is 1 plus omega square and this minus 2 omega. Okay, so minus 2 omega here, the whole raised to 3. Now this is equal to, now if you look at this one, means from here you will get 1 plus omega square is equal to 1 plus omega square. Take this omega to the right side, minus omega. Okay, so instead of this I will put minus omega minus 2 omega, this. So this is from 1, the whole raised to 3. This is equal to minus omega minus 2 omega is minus 3 omega, the whole cube. Okay, So that is minus 3 cube a raised to ab the whole raised to n. A into b the whole raised to n is a raised to n into b raised to n, omega cube. So minus 3 cube is minus 27 into omega cube is 1. So it is 27, minus 27. So this is the required answer. So 1 minus omega raised to 6 is equal to minus 27.